Hello, let me show you some hidden modes on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. First of all, we can open a test menu by opening the phone app, then go to the keypad and then enter the following code. And then end it with the hash. And there we go. Over here we can test some things like the touch sensors or the sensor itself, the speaker, and so on and so forth. Another thing that I want to show you is connectivity labs. We can go to the settings, then choose connections. There we go. In connections, go to Wi-Fi, tap these three dots in the top right corner and choose intelligent Wi-Fi. And then keep tapping on intelligent Wi-Fi until you will see connectivity labs at the bottom. And it looks like this. Over here we have some stats related to our Wi-Fi. We can also enable developer options. In order to do so, we need to scroll all the way down in the settings, go to About Phone, then choose Software Information, and keep tapping on Build Number. You might need to enter the screen lock password, but once you see the information that the developer mode has been turned on, you can go back to the settings, and then at the bottom you will find developer options. Over here you will find a bunch of hidden options that you can turn on and off or manage in general. The next thing is the safe mode. In order to enter the safe mode, we need to open the power menu. So press and hold the side button, and then press and hold your finger on power off, and then you have safe mode. You can tap on this safe mode icon in order to reboot your device and go into the safe mode. In this mode, only default apps are working. It's only those that are necessary to make the device work. And this mode allows you to track some unwanted issues, like some apps may cause some issues to different features of your phone. So over here you can turn them off. Now, in order to exit the safe mode, we need to press and hold the side button again in order to open the power menu, and then we need to choose to restart. Keep in mind that this time when we reboot our device, we will go back to the normal mode. However, the airplane mode will be enabled, so you probably want to turn it off. So now we are back. Let's unlock our device. And remember to turn off the airplane mode. The next two modes require us to prepare the USB cable. So the first one that I want to show you is the download mode. In order to go into the download mode, first we need to turn off our device. So once again, let's go to the power menu and let's power off our device. Let's wait for the device to turn off. You should feel vibrations once the Galaxy A25 is completely off. And once it is off, you want to connect your device to a computer. And once you do that, you need to press and hold both volume buttons. So let's do this. Plug it in and press two volume buttons. There we go. Now we are in the download mode. Over here we can press volume up in order to continue, volume down in order to restart our phone and go back to the normal mode. And we can also press the power button in order to show the barcode. If you decide to continue, now we need to press volume down and side button for 7 seconds to go back to the normal mode. So if you want to exit over here, like I mentioned, press and hold volume down and the power button. So keep holding until the screen is off, and after that you can release your buttons. And the last hidden mode is the recovery mode. In order to access it, our device also must be disabled, but this time we're gonna connect our USB cable and connect with a computer before we actually turn off our device. And let's turn it off. There we go. This time, once the device is off, we also need to wait for the charging information to show up. So first we will see the charging logo in the middle of the screen, and after a few seconds we should also see the battery percentage. So like I said, we have the logo, and soon we should see the percentage of the battery. Now, in order to proceed, we need to press and hold the side button. Let me try to get the focus. There we go. the side button and volume up button. But once you see the Samsung logo, you can release the power button and just keep holding volume up. So let's do this. Press and hold the power button and volume up. And once you see the Samsung logo, release power button, but keep holding volume up. And soon we should see the recovery mode. There we go. Use volume down and volume up in order to navigate, and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. If you decide to power off your device, the next time you turn it on, you will be back in the recovery mode. Therefore, if you want to exit the recovery mode, you need to actually choose reboot system now. So like I said, confirm with the power button if you want to exit. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!